Welcome back to Copy Trading, and today I'm going to go over the topic: Is eToro safe? And I'll be going over my recent trades that I've done over the last 7 days. So stick around to the end, and I'll go through all of that. But we have some great news from yesterday. eToro has released free investment insurance of up to 1 million euro, pound, and Australian dollars. Okay, so they have a new insurance plan. It's from Lloyd's of London, which is one of the world's leading providers of specialist insurance. So the coverage gives you 1 million euro, pound, or dollars, depending on the region, and the insurance is automatically set to all eToro clients. There's no need to register for this insurance, so it's brilliant. But if you ask me, my personal opinion is eToro safe. I've been using eToro since March. I'm going to go over my trades later on, but you can check me out at EC Green Candle. I also have an account copy trading forum to make videos, etc., etc. But yeah, I'm just going to go over the main points of this. It covers CFDs, it covers the cash in your accounts, it covers securities, but it doesn't cover your cryptocurrency, or non CFDs are not covered by the insurance. Okay. So it's an extra layer of protection on the already protection that is there. You have the assigned liquidators. So if any insolvency, the company goes bankrupt or it can't pay its bills or has too much debt, but this is unlikely event, as eToro put here. You have the liquidator would spread the money and assets over all of the clients, okay, if applicable. Okay, regulatory protection. So you always have that from the FCA and from England, and then the CYSE is from Cyprus, and then you also have the Australian one. Okay, so the Australian one is the ASIS, I believe. But I'm going to leave a link in the description to this article so you can check out into more details. But this is really good. Like for the FSCS, it offers the regulatory protection is 85 up to 85,000 pounds, and then the ICS protection is up to 20,000 euros. So that's one stage of protection, but the added in this towards protection is private insurance by Lloyd's of London. So this will cover losses suffered due to insolvency in the rare case that this happens. And it is subject up to $1 million, pounds, and euros. Okay, so which products are, I went over this. So which products are we have is covered the CFC securities, no crypto here, guys. So, and your cash. So what does this mean? As I said, if it goes insolvent, you will be covered up to $1 million in the clients from Europe, UK, and Australia. Um, Also, the insurance, is it offered to all clients? Yes, it's offered to all clients of eToro in Europe, UK, and Australia. There's no expiry dates, but eToro have the right and discretion to remove this contract with Lloyd's in the future. But you will be informed of that, and I'm sure that won't happen. But the insurance will be triggered in the likely event of eToro's insolvency. Okay, so an extra protection here is that eToro holds your funds, your cash, in completely segregated accounts in top tier banks. So big banks there are taking care of your funds there. Okay, so I just went over quickly over this article I found on eToro. You can just search eToro. Is eToro safe, or is eToro a scam? Okay, what they're saying is eToro is regulated. Okay, so it's regulated, as I said before. Okay, eToro is safe and secure. It says always look for the lock sign before the eToro up here. If you go up here, you'll see that padlock here. Always look for that when you're going to eToro. Okay. Okay, it's got round the clock support, so it's 24-hour support Monday to Friday, and then it always has the client support through email and the ticket system. So eToro has millions of users from all around the world. Its technology and design is really good, guys. They've spent a lot of money perfecting this platform. It's really easy to use. I really like it. It's just like Facebook, or it's like the Apple of the trading exchanges. Okay, so eToro is covered by the press. You just type into Google eToro News. It's been covered by CNBC News, TechCrunch, etc. eToro is makes people aware of its risk and the risk of trading, etc., and puts in place like stop loss, etc. Everything is there to make things easier and safer for you. So, as I said, why people say it's a scam? So people are saying it's a scam because they come onto eToro, they lose money, they don't know what they're doing, and then they call it a scam. Okay, this is one of the biggest reasons they say. Okay, for me, guys, I've been trading since March. This is me here, EC Green Candle. Obviously, I'm copy trading on YouTube as you're watching here, or you could be watching on Facebook. Yeah, so also I just want to show you that my trades for the last 7 days. Okay, so what I use, I deposit funds using PayPal. It's instant, and withdrawal funds with PayPal has never had any trouble. As I said, I'm using like a small percentage of my savings, like really small. I'm only using like 568 at the moment. I plan to increase this by 500 at the end of this month, and then maybe 500 each month. Okay, so guys, you can see here my trades. I've been day trading for the last week. Small trades. I started off here. I deposited in 250 here. I was even only trading with 282. So you can start off small. I said when you're learning. It's taken me a while to well, not that long, but I've been creating YouTube, and I've also full-time job in IT, so I can only do this part-time. But it doesn't take long to day trade once you get the correct strategy. I also did a course, etc., on trading. So that's taken time since March. But I have been building up my experience. But like, because you can see here, I was only trading with 282. Okay. So I day traded there. I made $3 and 28. Okay. So profit loss, does it show there? Maybe if I click this out. Okay, yeah, it shows here the percentage. Yeah, so every day I'm just looking for the 1 to 2%. If you follow my YouTube channel, you'll see that I'm looking for the 1 or 2% each day on day trades. Okay, so we got the 1% there, guys. And then I deposit more funds. I think this is eToro safe for me. It's definitely safe. I trust it with my money. But you can do your own research, etc., and watch all the videos and look at all the websites and reviews, etc., before you jump in. But you can see here then the next day I was trading, I bought Garmin here, and then I had the extra funds. So the more money you have, the more you can make. So I did the 1.1% here, but I made $592. But like I'm closing the trades like within 30 minutes, less like, so it's really easy work like. Okay, so I bought Charter Communications here. I had 540 invested. Um, I got 1.99%. So I'm only looking for the 1 2, and I got $10.72. Okay. So waste management, this was split up into two. I split up here because I can see I split up into two trades on the same day. You can do that if you want. If you want to sell one like quicker than the other, you want to spread out your risk in day trade, and that's what the way you can do it too. So on both days there, I did two trades. Okay, so that one was 3 minutes before this trade. So I got 3 minutes before I got the 7%. I got the nearly $2 there, but I on the other trade I waited a bit longer and I got the 296. It might sound small, but like the thing is I'm looking for the gains, I'm looking for the green every day. So then I can get more confident in my strategy, and then I can increase the amount. Okay. So today was really good. Today I have 556 invested. Okay, so I bought Expedia's. What does this trade? Yeah, so they're logistic company in the USA. So they do all the shipping and everything, which is massive these days with all the online shopping, etc. But I got $12.32 today, so 2.2 and I set the stop loss at 2%, but it jumped up to 2.2% in and it sold straight away at the 2.2%. So you can see there, guys, I'm trusting them with real money. So like if I put in 500 each month and I get up to 2,000, so that will mean that like I'll have $50 profit on the 2%, around 2%, like. And then if I lodge in a big sum, like another 2,000s, I can get $100 per day. Okay, so that is my plan to build up. Like some months I might put in thousands, but now that I'm winning, I'm more confident to put in more money. So that's what I recommend you guys doing. You can sign up through my link. It's copytradingfirm.com. It'll bring you to the secure website where you can get 100,000 virtual money. You see here, virtual money, where you can test this out yourself. So I was trading in virtual money a lot to learn at the start, but now I've started putting in real money. And once I'm getting green, the secret to day trading is to have more profitable days than losses. So I'm doing pretty well at the moment with my strategy. So I hope to continue that. I'm not being greedy. I'm not going, okay, Rome was not built in a day, so I'm taking it easy. So, guys, if you just want to check out eToro, I recommend it. It's very safe for me. I have no problems with it. I've tried other platforms. Like City Index in the UK, but the problem is with that for my day trading, it's you can buy it. They charge you like it's a lot like €11 to buy a stock and then €11 to sell it. So it's €22 before for opening and closing the trade. So if I was doing day trading, it wouldn't be worth my while with 500. I'd need to be trading with over £3,000 or €3,000. So that's why I like. But overall, I like eToro because it's so easy to use, and guys, it's just really easy. Like the charts are very easy to use, and once you learn it, it just becomes very simple. So, guys, there we go. I have a website if you want to check that out. I'm in Ireland, so any Irish or UK or any European guys want to get in contact with me, you can do that on my website. It's copytrading.business.site. You can even call me but I really am going to support the guys that sign up through my link. My link is in the description. I'm a partner with eToro, so that's how much I trust these guys. I work part time with them, so I create videos and TikTok videos. You can check it out here. My website is copytrading.business.site. I'll leave the link in the description. But if you go to my website or you just type in copytradingforum.com, that would bring you to eToro's secure website where you can get $100,000 virtual money, where you can try this out yourself, or you can check out my videos and stuff. I live in Ireland, as I said. You can give me a call if you sign up through my link. If you want any help or anything with anything, I'm happy to help. Like, so, like, you can even come to my website and click here. That'll bring you to eToro. You can find out lots of information about the fees and stuff from eToro on my website, and I've made video reviews on copy trading and everything. So I put a lot of time into eToro, so that's why I think it's so safe and so easy to use, guys. Okay, so if you'd like to meet any questions, just leave them in the comments, or like you contact me anytime, or just like if you want me to make any kind of videos, etc., and make videos, and I'm sharing my experience with day trading and copy trading. So just like and subscribe, leave a comment, and link will be in the description to Copy Trading Forum, where you can sign up and start trading yourself, and you can even copy what I'm doing. I have learned off a successful day trader. Um, so like I've done a course in trading, so I have the experience. So I'm trading since March and being successful on the day trading. So if you want to follow me, I can't wait to invest more funds into this account. I really like eToro. I recommend it, but do your own research and Like I'm only here to review things. Like you can copy me or you don't have to copy me, but I have to put in that it's not financial advice or anything like that. But anyway, see you on the next video and hope you have a great day ahead. Okay, so peace and love and see you on the next video.